Hi guys, so I tried the face brush scrub. It's that toothbrush, and just use your whatever you use for your face, and you scrub your face. Tell me that I use this after washing my face, and my face is so dirty. What? Look at the brush, it's brown, and this was after washing my face. Yo, I hope I'll see the results soon. So can somebody tell me, do I use this daily, like whenever I'm washing my face, or like maybe twice a week, thrice a week? If you've used this before, can you please tell me how many times in a week I need to do this? Because this is crazy. Look at the brush. Crazy, right? Yeah. So I have been following the skincare tips from TikTok, and so after brushing your face with the toothbrush scrub, you go ahead and apply icing. So I've done that, patted my skin dry. So I don't have a washer. I think if that's the name it's called, go washer. So I saw somebody else using this, and I'm gonna try this. So let's try this with the snail mousse. What did I just say? I don't know. This. So I'm gonna try that. See how it works out for me. I'll come back with the results. Yeah. So let's continue. So this is me. Part 2, I don't know what part is it, of using this. I saw her going from the nose, deep inside your nose, outward. Okay. So I'm hoping that works out. Oh, I forgot something. It's called lymphatic massage on the face. Before that, she did the lymphatic. I'll do that next time. So, and then for the forehead, she was going upward, I guess. If I'm doing it wrong, please correct me. So from your nose outward, down here. Okay, I'm hoping we're gonna have. So they still mentioned after all this, don't forget to drink your water. Hydrate. Yeah. Drink your water. If you have to eat your water, eat your water. So at least 3 liters a day, something like that. So I'm hoping I will get a snatched face. Already have them. Yeah, so here I am trying things from TikTok. What works, I'll let you know. So yeah. There you go. Any other sent to me, I wanna try new things. New year, yeah. What do you think? I'm back. Now, let's go deep in with it. From the nose to the side. When you get to the ears, you go up. I don't know what you do there. I have no clue, but I'm doing whatever I saw. So you go here, from the other side. There. Down here as well. Down here. And here. And chin, you go in. Oh, that hurts though. And then, okay, here you go. Snatch that eye. Snatch it. The things we learn on TikTok. Yo, I'm telling you, TikTok is a more university than any other university. So here I am. I'm not using any filter. So now that I'm done with that part, I'm gonna go in and put on my mask. I use this gold 24K gold, the caviar mask, face mask. Yeah, anyone else who gets issues or like it's just too much, just gives me stress putting on this mask. Because like it has a lot of hydrating liquids and it just makes it so hard. So once I put my eyes, I always, does anyone else do this? Like you add a little bit of the mouth and the eyes because like it's so small, like I feel like you're not breathing and you're eating it, so you peel up more. Okay, mask time. There you go. So this part is now done. So I'm gonna go in with the extra liquid, seasonal liquids, whatever that thing is inside here, and pour on top of this. And then I'm gonna leave this on. Going straight for my mouth. I'm gonna leave this on until like almost dries up, and then I'm gonna remove it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. See you then. So after a couple of minutes, I think I'm ready to take this off. You see the skin. What do you think? Oh, my skin is still puffy. I don't know. Somebody needs to give me a way to debloat my face because I wanna have that snatched jawline face. Alright, so this is my skin after all that I do in the morning. So my facial ritual is over, sir. What do you think? Yeah.